What's up, guys? We just made it to the Etowah River. We're about to do a tunnel run. Got about 6 kayakers. It's raining today. It's wet. There was just an earthquake. Let's do it. Man. I thought y'all did caving. We're going underground. Trust me. Trust the process. Poop bags.
It's your first time using an off angle.
What are we doing?
Yeah.
Do a full sweep from bow to stern and turn your torso with it. Okay? Keep the boat flat.
Oh, okay.
Everything that comes later.
Do a kickflip. Actually pretty peaceful. I could go to sleep to the sound, but I would probably drown. So I can't do that. So we'll continue our monster and carry on.
All right, hold up.
You okay?
Yeah. We're here.
All right, find a good beach.
Okay.
Paddle back upstream again. Yeah, there's one over there.
Woo-wee! Here we go. We are caving! Woo! Oh shit! Woo! Oh shit! Dude, I almost lost it there.
Do you want to flip over stuff? I can help you.
Hey, I found your Twinkies! My boat is swamped. Absolutely swamped. Oh, I wasn't even on full blast. That's it. Did you see the shaft up there?
The what?
There was a shaft going up to daylight.
No, I didn't see it.
That was awesome.
Eddie out. Watch out for the tree. Eddie out.
I'm swamped. Him and Jay. And
Yeah.
we got one that's floating.
Eddie out. Watch out.
I am swamped.
I just wanted to play bumper cars.
I'm gonna get this out. Oh shit. Woo! Yeah.
That was a blast, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, you got the wild tour.
I would do that again.
Nature intended it.
Did y'all see the shaft?
No, I think.
Dude, there was an open air shaft right in the middle.
Fuck, I didn't
You can send it down to me. I almost turned my GoPro off. I'm glad I did.
I got it going.
Huh?
My video caught that.
Good, good.
I got your whole trip down.
Did you? What are we doing?
You're gonna flip.
Oh, okay. You're fucking feeling, bro. Oh.
And I'm gonna do a badass.
It's deeper on-
Sweep your hands.
Bump.
Where there's no rocks.
Almost. Here.
Oh, can you get the bow?
Yeah.
Or are you able to get all the way up?
Yep.
Thinking. Appreciate that.
Yes, sir. Try to go like right here. Full speed.
Dang it. Thank you. Thank you.
Yep.
Appreciate that.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. We're back on the river. Almost done. It's been a hell of a trip. Very fun, very cool place. We made it. This is our exit. Oh, that was a fun trip. Fun trip.